my lovely viewers. This is Hello at Your World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to start an instant meeting in Google Meet on Gmail. So for this case, we have to open in our Gmail account. So here my Gmail account, I will open it. See my Gmail account, then go to here, the Google Apps. Then in below side, or here we will get the Google Meet, then click here. So here the new meeting, or enter a code or link, we will go to the new meeting. See, start an instant meeting. So when we need an instant meeting, so we will press this, then it will open. So click here, or so your meeting's ready. If we add some people or some person, then we will add here. Click here, see, enter name or email address we will give or we'll put here, or before, if we selected these things, we will do this thing. And if we want to share, people who use this meeting link must get your permission before they can join. So we will give this link when we provided this link, and they will try to meet or to enter or to input this link, then there needs a permission. Then we have to, who will arrange this meeting, have to give the permission, then the meeting will be start. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.